In today's video, I want to show you a new crypto wallet. What is it about? Why a lot of people are afraid of using crypto wallets, especially if they are self-custodial. What's the difference between self-custodial and custodial? I'm going to explain you everything you need to know about this new crypto wallet and how easy it is to use. Welcome to What's Up Crypto. My name is Francisco Jared and let's start right now with the information. I want to talk to you about the crypto wallet that Telegram, yes, the messenger app we use to send messages between friends, has integrated recently. It's very simple to use, and that's why I'm doing this video today to try to explain to you how can you access this wallet. I'm right now positioned in the website from Telegram. And all you need to do to start and to get this crypto wallet that is a custodial wallet. This is very nice because I hear a lot of people complaining all the time about, oh, I'm just starting with my crypto journey and it's very difficult to understand. A lot of people are talking to me about buying a cold wallet and then I don't know about this because I need to store seed phrases and I've never heard the word private keys and such and such. So right now, what this is about is how easy it is to use this type of a wallet. This is a custodial wallet. Telegram, in this case, is going to manage everything in the sense of the seed phrases and access to your wallet. It's very safe. Everything is encrypted. So the only thing you have to worry about is just download this wallet and that's it. You have access to it and then you can transfer, you can deposit, you can withdraw, even you can exchange and make swaps and also earn money using your crypto wallet from Telegram. So how do you do this? Well, the only thing you have to do is just open the wallet. It depends if you are in desktop or in your phone. If you're in desktop, you're gonna see up here to my right, you click on open wallet and then you're gonna follow the instructions. You're gonna go here and click open app and then all the options there, a bot is gonna show up and then you follow the steps and then you're gonna have access to your new crypto wallet. That's so easy to do and very friendly. I've tried it myself. So this is the crypto wallet, the one you see here in the screen. You have, once you accept the terms and conditions, you're going to be able to see your dollars, your Toncoin, your Bitcoin, more assets also. And then you're going to be able to transfer money. You're going to click here in transfer. And then if you have friends in Telegram, you want to send your crypto and maybe a tip, but $10, $20, you can send to them. You can also deposit, withdraw from exchanges, and it has new features that I want to share with you. For example, you can buy not only USDT, Bitcoin, you can also buy tokenized gold, you can buy US stocks and ETFs, everything tokenized. And also you can earn interest on different type of cryptocurrencies. Here in the wallet, you can trade, you can earn. If you go to this section, you're gonna find a lot of options and rewards, bonuses that Telegram is giving away depending on the time. You have to be checking out what are they doing with their Twitter account because they announce a lot of updates over there. And this is a recent announcement that they made about the tokenized ETFs and tokenized gold. You see, you can trade Apple like you're seeing the screen, and also you can trade different stocks, Amazon, and it's very simple to use. You just have to follow the instructions on the wallet. I find it easier if you trade, if you do this crypto wallet from your phone. It's more practical to me. And then in regards to the bonuses and the rewards, look at this type of rewards that they were giving a few weeks ago. For example, you could have earned up to 333% APY just for holding your cryptocurrencies. And now there's different promotions depending on the dates. That's why I'm telling you, go and follow Wallet in Telegram, in Twitter. I see Monad Earn is live in Crypto Wallet right now. So overall, everything looks very interesting what Telegram is doing here. This is the Crypto Wallet. Remember, this is different from the Ton Wallet. Depending on your location, you have access to one or the other one or both. Ton Wallet, as I said, it's very different. It's a self-custodial wallet. You want to do what you want to do right now, especially for beginners, is download and access that Crypto Wallet, which is gonna manage everything for you. Everything is safe. If you lose access to your wallet, then they're gonna help you out and recover everything. So go check this out. Not only sending, receiving, transferring. Also, you can earn money by holding your coins. You can invest and trade tokenized gold, tokenized stocks. So I wanted to put this out there because I hear a lot of people that are afraid to start using crypto. Well, if you ask me, this is the easiest way to start your crypto journey. Let me know in the comments if you like this new feature from Telegram. Thank you again and see you in the next one.